All right, so first video in like, I can't even remember how long that wasn't part of a live stream. And that's kind of what I want to talk about today. So it's just low key, a little bit different formatted than usual. Today, I want to talk about my goals for this channel. Basically, what's going to happen to this channel in 2025. My goal is, I'm sorry, I took my glasses off because of the glare. And so now I'm going to be touching my face trying to adjust my glasses. So to just kind of get right to it, my goal in 2025 is to grow this channel. I've thought a lot about the trajectory my career is going in, the things I want to accomplish. And I just finished my most recent soundtrack. I love composing, and I'm not stopping composing in any way, shape, or form. But in 2025, I want to focus more on this channel. All right, because the kind of impact that I get to have on helping other people realize your dreams of being able to write music, it's kind of hard to put into words, but I'm finding that this is the most fulfilling part of my career at the moment. So in 2025, my goals are quite ambitious. I want to at least double the subscriber count, so get around 60,000. But my overarching goal is to get 100,000 subscribers. And to do this, I have 4 strategies I'm going to start using. Number 1 is right off the bat, starting in February, I will be posting a minimum of 1 video tutorial per week, in addition to the regular live streams on Fridays. I already have 52 videos outlined. I am writing a new script every single day, and starting next week, I'm going to start recording and making the actual videos. So in February, I have a bunch of stuff coming out, all right? At least 1 per week. And they're all going to be music theory, music composition tutorials like I used to do on this channel, focusing primarily on film composing. In addition to this, I'll be doing other videos here and there as I just get inspired. I have like a masterclass that I want to try to put together, so that'll be like 2 videos in 1 week. I have a sponsored video coming up where I got free access to this amazing plugin that I am really geeking out over, and I will definitely be sharing with you guys soon. And as well as other videos, like I have a couple like ethereal music tutorials, things like that. So again, minimum of 1 video per week, with here and there, I want to try and sprinkle in a couple more. So that's strategy number 1. Hopefully you're as excited about it as I am. Strategy number 2 is I'm going to be doing an additional live stream every week. So right now we do the live stream every Friday. But moving forward, I will be having a private live stream for channel members only. And then for my patrons, I will be uploading the recording of the live stream to Patreon. I'm sorry, I feel like that's not kind of fair to people who are supporting me on Patreon, but I have no idea. I just haven't been able to figure out how to create a private live stream for the patrons as well. That doesn't result in me having to do 3 live streams every week. But the point of this live stream is very specific. We're going to be going through my textbook. 400 pages, 36 chapters. Starting in February, once a week, we will be going through 1 chapter at a time together, where I will be covering all the lessons found in the chapter, sharing some insight, some additional examples that aren't in the book, and just basically being able to answer your questions in live time. Now, you don't need to have a copy of the book to participate. You just got to be a channel member. Even if you're just paying like $1 a month, you can be part of these live streams and you can learn how to compose. This book was designed specifically to take you from being a beginner. The first 2 chapters teach you how to read sheet music, and then the very last chapter kind of ties it all together. By that point, you know how to make professional grade mock-ups and arrange for the modern orchestra. So it's an ambitious book. It's an ambitious series we'll be doing, but it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm very excited about it. So if you do want a copy of the book and you don't have a copy yet, it is currently on sale for 20% off for the duration of January to kind of help prep for this new series. So that's number 2. Then strategy number 3, which I'm very excited about, is we're going to start hosting more competitions. I don't know why I said we, it's just me. I am going to start hosting more competitions with all of you. Maybe that's where the we came from. We're going to be doing at least, my goal is 4 more competitions. Again, getting wonderful sponsors like last time. Thank you again to Quetzal Sounds and Museo for sponsoring the last competition. I will be doing at least 4 competitions this year with more amazing prizes and really trying to reach as many young composers as possible, just because it's a really cool opportunity to have your music heard by a wider audience on my channel. It's an opportunity to have a goal and a deadline to work with and parameters, and just get kind of recognized for being an up-and-coming composer. So I'm very excited about that. And then number 4 is kind of my passion project. Honestly, I think it's the one I'm most excited about. I am dramatically expanding my emotions and music class. So for those of you who have taken it already, thank you. It's one of my favorite things I've done. I've had 9 different cohorts take the course, not including the beta testers, so technically 10 different cohorts, where I get to merge my passions for both psychology and music, and teach you guys the tools for portraying literally any emotion you could possibly need with music. And the reason why it's so flexible is because it's not just templates. I teach you the systems behind how music is physically capable of portraying emotion in the first place, speaking at the standpoint of a former therapist turned professional composer, and then teach you those tools so you can apply them to any setting. I don't know why I'm going kind of on tangent now, doing an ad for the old class, but the new class is expanding beyond emotions and going fully into kind of storytelling. I'm taking a lot of inspiration from Howard Shore. Howard Shore is a composer I've spent a lot of time studying. And I've read so many books, so many kind of breakdowns of his strategies, his philosophies, his approaches to soundtracks. And it's really informed my own approach to storytelling with music. So this class is going to be very ambitious, where the idea is basically, how do you tell large scale, massive kind of operatic stories with music? How do you come up with those 96 different themes that he came up with for the Lord of the Rings trilogy? And how does he apply all of them? How do you do something similar? So we're going to cover everything from writing lyrical, memorable melodies to layering different themes, different types of themes, whether it's a background theme, a foreground theme, a motif, a soundscape, an ostinato. And most importantly, how do you develop those and apply them to tell a beautiful, intricate story with your music? Now, the downside to that is it's taking a lot of time to put this together. I think I'm adding like at least 100 new modules to the class. The cool thing is, if you've taken the class before, you're getting a free update. I don't believe in charging twice for the same thing. So if you've taken and I know it's technically not the same thing, but since all of the current class material will be included in the new course, whatever. All right. So you get a free update. If you currently purchase the class, you will also get the free update. The price will probably be increasing for the new course because there's so much more material. And to that end, the current class is different. I have dissolved the cohort program, unfortunately. It's just trying to put all these things together. It's tricky trying to coordinate an entire class of students. And so it's much easier for me to coordinate on a one-to-one level. So moving forward, the class is a study at your own pace. You can sign up at any point. You don't have to wait for the next cohort to open. You can sign up right now. You can sign up 3 weeks from now. You can sign up whenever you want, as long as it's available. And when you sign up, you get 3 private lessons where you can schedule them at your own discretion. And we can kind of get together and we can go dive deeply into the class material. We can cover your specific questions, your specific needs, all that kind of cool stuff, and just get a really more personal kind of approach to the education in the class. So I'm very excited about that. I don't know how long the class will be available, because the moment the update is ready, I'm taking it down, and then it'll just be the big course, which, because of the size and depth, won't involve private lessons. So if you want to take advantage of it, sign up now. There are payment plans. But yeah, so those are the kind of the 4 big things coming to the channel. Just to kind of quickly summarize, number 1, I will start posting minimum of 1 video per week in February, as well as doing 2 live streams, the usual one, and then that new private live stream for channel members only, where the recordings will also be uploaded to Patreon. Then moving forward, there will be 4 competitions this year. That is my goal. So keep an eye out for those announcements. And then, yeah, massive update to the class. Thank you to everyone who's participated before. And if you'd like to act quick, sign up now so that you can get the update for free, because the price will go up. But yeah, thank you very much, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this update. Let me know what you're excited for in the comments. All right. Let me know if you have video ideas. Let me know if you'd like to see me collaborate with a specific YouTuber. Anything. What kind of prizes do you want for the competition? Stuff like that. Let me know. I'm excited to see what we can accomplish together this year. And yeah, I've got energy. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it. I'm kind of geeking out. So I'm going to let you guys go for now. I will see probably a bunch of you in Friday's live stream. All right. Bye-bye.